You can text us at 407-556-1609, and you can actually put your order in. We do sell by the half a gallons and the gallon itself. The gallon itself is $50, and the half a gallon is half that, depending on how many orders or how many you order. We can always work something out, such as a different price. Now we do make other types of natural juices, but we'll get into that in the next video. As previously mentioned, our sugarcane juice is pasteurized. It is clean. It is filtered. We just don't pour it in a cup and then put it through the machine and just give it to you. That's not right, because it's unsafe. So again, guys, 407-556-1609. This is John from Grab-and-Go Concessions, and hopefully we'll hear from you soon. Now, delivery. Do we deliver? Yes, we do. It all depends. We deliver between 6 miles radius of Pine Hills, Orlando. Okay? So from there, it all depends on how much you purchase. We may go further than that. There is no delivery fee as long as you purchase. Say, for instance, if you purchased a gallon or you purchased 2 gallons, within that radius, delivery is free. So, okay, guys? Hopefully I can hear from you soon. Again, this is John from Grab-and-Go Concessions. Thank you for listening.